Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenario series. We are discussing to the one of the real-time scenario on the LWC component, right? In the previous video, we discussed about to the how to build the uh, base query and where clause and how to retrieve the data from the database. That is all we are discussed. Now in this video we have to how to return to the these information like total opportunities, open opportunity amount, and we have the list of the records how we are going to implement. So this purpose we are going to take by the one wrapper class. Why? Because means set of the information we are passing to the page, right? Set up the information. This is the total opportunities, open opportunities, and here we have the data. So in interviewer, sometimes they will ask to the question as well, right? When you are exactly used to the wrapper class, what are the purpose of the wrapper class means we can wrap the data and we can send it to the LWC component, right? So this kind of the use cases we have to go to the wrapper classes. Okay, so here I'm going to take it by the one wrapper class here. So here public class. So here opportunity summary. We are going to take it by the some wrapper class name. So now here we are going to take it by the first step is the here we need to display by the total opportunities, right? So that purpose here, I'm going to take it by the integer total opportunities. Okay, so this is the one of the method. Okay, we are going to take it by the total opportunities. And next is the here, we are going to take it by the decimal total open opportunity or total open amount. Simply to take total open amount. Okay, and we have to display the list of the records, right? This is the top total opportunity amount. Then here, this is the list of the opportunities. So that's why here, so we can take it by the list here opportunity. See here, we have to take it by the OPP list. So these three parameters, we can combine to these three parameters, send it to the LWC component. This kind of the use cases, we can go to the wrapper class, wrap the data, and we can send it to the LWC component or some other Apex classes. Might be we are calling the one Apex class to another class also, right? That kind of the scenarios also we can send it now. So here we have to the um, send it to the data to the some other class or LWC component. Now here just we can take it by the one constructor in this public opportunity. By default values, I'm setting by the zero total opportunity, and this is the default values we are mentioned by the here. Okay, let me save all those things. Okay, so here list OPP list that should be defined. Public. Okay, so now here we have the this is the one of the constructor. Okay, so let me save and deploy up to here. Okay, my bad. I'm taking by the here method symbol. That is the problem. Actually, it is the one of the wrapper class, right? Let's so deploy. This is the opportunity summary is the wrapper class. So now here we have to deploy to the successfully. Then here we have to take it by the opportunity summary. Sorry. So here opt is summary. So here we have to the memory allocation. This opti summary, we have the total opportunities, right? Total opportunities dot size. It will return to the how many records is written by this query, that one. And total amount, initially we are going to take it by the this one, or we can go to the here, we can take it by the one for loop. So here we are going to build the opportunity OPP. So here we have the opportunities here, right? So opportunities. So now here we are going to calculate to the total opportunities amount, right? So here that's why here I'm going to take it by the opportunities summary dot. So here total open opportunity amount plus equals to OPP dot amount. Okay, so this is the opportunities we are going to adding to the here. Total opportunities adding to the here, right? It is a loop repeating how many opportunities. Then we have to the add it by then the opportunity summary total amount. Okay, and finally we need to add it by the all the opportunities to the in this list, right? Opti. So that purpose, let's come to the here. So opti opportunities list equals to opportunities. What are the opportunities written by our query in here? These opportunities we are adding into the this OPP list. Let's save. Finally, we have to the return opti summary. So now we are returning by the opti summary, right? So let's copy to this one. We can give it by the instead of the void. This is the opti summary one. We have to return by the opti summary one. Why? Because we are returning by the opti summary, right? Let's save and deploy. So now come back to the developer console. Let's check it. Control E, execute. So let's debug by the here. See here. Oh, I think we are not stored by the anywhere, right? Return type. Let's take it by the system.debug, this one as well. What is the return? We are going to store it by the summary. This is the opti summary. Okay. Let's click on execute. Sorry, I think we are not closed by the ending. Let's click on execute. See here, total opportunity amount, we have to get it by the this much, and total open opportunities is the we have the 13. We have the total opportunities as we have the 13. Actually here, this is the different arg, this is the different arg what we are going to implementing now. That's why it is showing to the different values of the amount. Okay. This is the different arg, this is the different arg. Okay. So that's why here we have to get it by the here 13 open opportunities, and amount is the this one. Amount is the this one, open opportunities amount. Okay. So now here we have to send it by the, this to the LWC component. Then we need to display all those information into the LWC component. Na? So that's why we can make it as to the all the variables as the aura enabled. So let's take it by the quickly from the here. So in the LWC component, you want to utilize to these variables, we can must and should give it to the at the rate or annum. Then only we can able to access by these variables into in the LWC component. Then right click, deploy to the source R. What happened? Let me check it. So we have to display by the outside, right? Then we can give it by the public keyword. Yeah. Public, then only we can able to access to the outside of the class, right? Then we can give it by the public. Let's save and do deploy. Yeah, it's deployed successfully. It's deployed successfully. So I hope it's clear, right, how it was implemented by the wrapper class and how to add it to our data to the in the wrapper class and how to return to the wrapper class data. Okay, how to return to the wrapper class data. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to discuss about to the second step. We can develop to the LWC component and on the load of the component, how to retrieve by the open opportunity cards and how we are going to display in the UI. So means this is the UI. In UI, how we are going to display. Let's discuss on to the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.